So by hitting the link in the description down below, you'll be redirected to this page, and all you need to do is to enter your domain URL or any competitor URL in here. Hit start now and you sign up for a free account. So this is a very wonderful tool, and with that said, let's get back into the video. So once you are inside Semrush, all you need to do is to go ahead and go find some competitors, or you can do a site audit on your own website to see what errors or mistakes you are having on the website that need fixing. So I'm not going to go into that. I'm going to explain what you'll be using majorly. So this is a URL that I've been analyzing. It's a competitor URL. So the major menus you'll be using as a blogger or as a business owner, you'll be using is the domain overview, the traffic analytics, organic search, keyword gap, backlink gap. I don't focus on it because I don't do backlink building. So and the most important one, which is the keyword magic tool, because that is the tool that you will be using to find the keywords to target. So let's open up the keyword magic tool, and we are going to be using this keyword magic tool to find keywords that we can easily go for and rank for within a couple of days. So Google is getting smarter with picking up on content. So your rankings, if you are following these tactics and you are following these methods, you can rank easily within a couple of days. So for our keyword, we are going to enter a simple trigger keyword that people may be searching for on Google. So let's say that we have an affiliate website that deals with baby products, and we want to promote baby products to these people who are interested in these baby products or mothers. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and type in some keyword baby or anything related to our niche. So what we'll do, it will generate for us keywords, keyword ideas depending on our input. You can go ahead and change the database, but I want to keep it to a US audience because that's good if you are planning to run ads on your website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and play around with the features. So the features are the most important things if you want to get the best keywords. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over here and we're going to hit the KD. So Semrush has recently updated their tool, and this is one thing that I like, because the previous one just had very hard and easy. So you can see here they have added more percentages to make even your keyword research much easier. So they have here very easy, which is 0 to 1%. So if you have a brand new website,
if you're enjoying the content so far, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to let YouTube's algorithms know that we are fast becoming one of your best content creators on their platform. This is important because YouTube has been hiding our content as of lately, and you'll also stay updated with all our future uploads.
So once we have our keywords here, you can see that they are ranked according to the hardest, which has the highest search volume, and it's going to be hard to rank for if you have a new blog or a business. So what we need to do is we need to use the keyword filters here. So we're going to go ahead and sort by very easy, because we have a brand new website. We can rank for these ones as easily as possible because we don't need to build any backlinks. And if you're building a website, these are the best keywords you should go for, because you don't even need to know SEO that much. So just a little push from social media or any simple additional push you give to your content can get it onto the first page of Google. So we're going to hit very easy, and then we're going to modify our search results. So these search results are going to be analyzed from the easiest to the most easiest, which you can even go for today and rank within a couple of days. So you can see here Throat Baby Remix lyrics, which may be a song. If you know the lyrics to that song, you can go for it, and it has a chart. So if you see this, which is a 14, that is one of the easiest you can go for according to Semrush. So very easy. That means you have a chance of start ranking today with these keywords. So you can scroll around and see keywords will work for your business, and this doesn't work for only this niche, but can work for a variety of niches. So let's say we had a website about woodworking, and we were selling woodworking products. So we'll go ahead and type in here woodworking, then we hit search to see what comes up in the tool. So since we have our filters already set to very easy, it was going to be easy to go ahead and find these keywords, and all you need to do is to go and start writing content. So you can see here woodworking labs has a 720 monthly search volume. I don't mind about the volume because you rank for other related keywords as well. All you need to do is just go out there and start writing the content. So if you click onto this, they will tell you viewer chance to start ranking your content. And if we, let's say we highlight this keyword and we were an e-commerce site and we had woodworking gloves that we make as a business, we could go for this because I'm sure this is a keyword that has a buyer intent right behind it. So the top ranking pages will be majorly tools or e-commerce sites. So we hit metrics here and we see what's up with the metrics. So we can see the search traffic they get. I don't mind about this, but it's gonna work for you if you have no. So what you can see right here that we have brought up the metrics, and we can see that most of the pages ranking, 2 websites ranking in the top 10 even have no backlinks. So this means this keyword is very easy if you have a brand new website, and you can go for this keyword since these are affiliate sites and I'm sure they are promoting Amazon products. So we can open them up and see each site individually. I don't know why it took me there, but you can open them up and see each site individually and how they are how they are structuring their content. You replicate the same because that is proven to work. Amazon of course will rank number 1 because it's selling, it is an e-commerce store, and this word has buyer intent behind it. So I'm not surprised to see Amazon and some e-commerce stores right here. So another way we could even find more keywords that are easier to rank for is we get these sites here that have 0 backlinks. We go ahead and input them into the tool here, and we see which kind of keywords we can also go for, and that way we are reverse engineering these very websites. So since they are able to rank there onto the first page of Google, we can also rank there with a brand new website and no backlinks, since they also have no backlinks. So you can see here 0 backlinks at all. So what we'll do is we'll go in here and we shall look for our keywords the same way. So we'll apply our exact filters right here. You can even go ahead and apply advanced filters like increasing the number of keywords in the very keyword. So what we'll do is we'll go here and apply our very filters once again. So hit very easy, then hit apply, and we'll get even much easier keywords. So that's one way to do that. Another way to do that, you will head over to Google and type in the very keyword woodworking gloves. So we'll type in woodworking gloves. Amazon of course is ranking on the top. So we'll look at we'll analyze all these top 10 ranking results here, and we see which affiliate network they are linking to, and then we would analyze that affiliate network using Semrush to find even more websites that are linking to that very affiliate network. Then we would analyze those websites as well in here. So I don't know why it's not working, but I hope you get the idea. So that's how we use Semrush to find those keywords. So that's gonna do it for this video. You can see the keywords here that you can go for. They're very, very easy, and you can go to get them even with a brand new website. So you can sort the position by the top 10 so that you get the results that this website is ranking for. And I'm very sure this website is not even targeting these keywords. They're just ranking for them as related keywords because they are maybe targeting a major keyword with all these related keywords. So that's gonna do it for this video. Once again, if you want to get Semrush, there will be a link down below and you go ahead and grab that. So don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.